Welcome back to MS Tech. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the HyperX Pulsefire Core RGB gaming mouse to see if it's really worth the $25 or not. Let's take a look and see. Starting off with what you get inside the box. It's genuinely really simple. You just get the mouse and some documentation. That's really it. That's really all. Starting off with the design of this mouse. And first, the wire. The cable is braided, but it's not one of the nice braided cables that you can see on mice. This one is a bit stiff, so if you're a hardcore gamer, then this may have some issue with stiffness and drag when you're playing video games. But if you're not, then the braided cable, it's perfect. Now going over to the design of the mouse, and right off the bat, when you look at it, you can see there's little tiny waves, grooves on either side of the mouse, which they call grip. Now, is it that grippy? No, because it is pretty much the same plastic material that they use all around the mouse, but the fact that it's indented a bit, it's pretty cool. It adds a nice visual touch to it. Now, this mouse does have 7 buttons on them, which you can program and customize in the Ngenuity app that they have that you can download. It's pretty simple, and through that app as well, that's where you control the RGB. Now, this mouse only does have one RGB zone, and that's just the HyperX logo on the back of the mouse. Nothing really special, just a little bit of RGB. Now flipping the mouse over, that's where you find the sensor as well as 2 pads on the bottom. And now the difference between these pads and other gaming mice pads is that these are very thick. They're big, chunky, and almost take up half of the bottom of the mouse. So it's good to see that. That way the mouse slides a lot more compared to the other mice. Now as well, on the top of the mouse, you do have your right click, left click, as well as a scroll wheel. The scroll wheel did feel a bit on the cheaper side. Like I could see that scroll wheel being used in a mouse you could buy for $5. But the clicks, on the other hand, felt semi-premium. Here's a quick sound test of the scroll wheel as well as the clicks. Now, when it came to my experiences using this mouse, there have not really been any issues. It naturally fits inside my hand, whether it's a clawed grip, a palm grip, whatever grip it is, it fits pretty naturally, and it feels like it'd be the middle ground for any mouse. If you're super picky on one thing, this mouse probably has one thing that can satisfy you. If you're super picky on the other thing, this mouse can also satisfy that. I feel like this mouse is almost like a midfield player in soccer. It can either play striker or it can play defense. Whichever you want, it can do it. So that's really nice about this mouse, that it can pretty much do anything that you want. But then again, it does come at a cost because it doesn't feel as premium as other mice for $24, such as the Razer DeathAdder Essential. That one feels a lot more premium than this one, which we also do have a review out on if you want to check it out. But this one still does the job perfectly fine, so I really don't have any issues. As well, when it came to my gaming experiences using this keyboard, I didn't have any latency. The sensor was very nice, and I was able to do flicks pretty easily. But then again, by no means am I a gamer. I'm just someone who plays games casually, and for me, it worked perfectly fine. Overall, for $25, you're getting an all-around player in the sense that this can pretty much fill any need that you have while not being super specific on one certain aspect. If you're someone who's a big fan of the scroll wheel, this one does not have the best scroll wheel, but then again, it does the job. And for $25, you're getting a decent gaming mouse. With that being said, if you stuck around till the end of the video, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. It genuinely means the world to us, and it helps our channel grow day by day. This has been MS Tech, and as always, stay premium.